Hello everyone, I am Michelle and welcome to the Microsoft Teams tutorial series, all for beginners. In the lesson for today, we're diving into the world of Microsoft Teams and exploring what it's all about. So whether you're new to Teams or whether you're just looking to brush up on your knowledge, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So what exactly is Microsoft Teams? Well, think of it as your virtual hub for teamwork and collaboration. It's a powerful platform and it brings together chat, meetings, calls, and file sharing all in one place. Whether you're working with colleagues, classmates, students, or even clients, Microsoft Teams provides a seamless way to stay connected and get things done. Now, why should you use Microsoft Teams for your collaboration needs? Let's talk about the benefits. First, it streamlines communication. You have no more sifting through endless emails. Teams lets you chat in real time, making quick discussions and decision making a breeze. Second, it enables effortless meetings. You can schedule and join virtual meetings right within Teams. Whether it's a video call or an audio meeting, Teams has got you covered. Third, it enhances collaboration. You can share files, co-author documents, and work on projects together, all in one centralized location. And last but not least, it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps. Whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or many others, you can easily collaborate on these files directly within Teams. Speaking of integration, let's talk about how Teams does play nice with other Microsoft 365 apps. Teams integrates with apps like Outlook for email notifications. Teams integrates with apps like Word so that you can collaborate on Word documents and type things that your team members can also see and be typing at the same time. Team integrates with apps like SharePoint for document storage. Team integrates with apps like OneNote for shared notes. That means you can smoothly transition between these apps without missing a beat. And there you have it. That's a quick overview of Microsoft Teams and why it's such a fantastic tool for collaboration. Whether you're part of a small team or a large organization, Teams can help you simplify and enhance the way you work together. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to get started with Teams, how to navigate some of its user-friendly interface. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out, and I'll see you in that next video. Remember that if you have questions or comments, you can add them in the comments down below. And I'll see you next time.